You've lived in your King County, Washington home for years, and it holds every laugh, every milestone, and every memory. And now it's time for something new. The question is, how do you even start the process of selling after 30 years? Maybe your house feels too big. Maybe it's time to be closer to family. But every time you feel like packing up, it feels like way too much. Most longtime homeowners feel torn. Part of you know it's time for a new move. The other part can't even imagine letting go. You are not alone. And the good news is you don't have to figure it all out today. Just take the first 3 steps. Leaving your home after decades isn't just about moving. It's about letting go of your memories and your routines and all the little things that made your place your home. Every room you go in is filled with memories. This makes the process so tough. And there are so many questions. How do we start? What do we let go of? What repairs do we need to make? So here's the first step. Step 1, walk through your home with fresh eyes. Instead of starting off with repairs or decluttering, walk through your home like a potential future buyer would. This helps you focus only on what matters so you don't waste energy fixing things that you don't need to fix. We can even look through the home together. Just ask. Step 2, prioritize what matters. It's not just what to pack, it's what to keep, what to gift, what to let go of. Start with the easy places first, like the linen closet or the guest room, the places that don't have a lot of items in them. This builds confidence and momentum and feels like you've accomplished something. Turn the radio on, dance around, make it a little bit fun. You don't have to fix everything. You'd be surprised at what you can leave as is. Watch my video on the 7 fixes you must complete before selling next. You can view it above. This will help you determine what to fix and what not to fix. Step number 3, understand your timeline. Create a simple timeline that works for you and what works best for your life, whether it's a 3-month plan or a year from now. Just having a plan brings instant relief. The timeline can include detailed goal dates for accomplishing tasks, or it can be just a list of items that you can check off as you go. I'm Karen Jackson with John L. Scott Real Estate, and I help longtime King County homeowners move forward without stress. If this video is helpful to you, give it a quick like. This helps other people see my video. So the best part is once you know where to start, you stop feeling stuck. And the next chapter becomes something to look forward to, not fear. Your retirement chapter should be fun and exciting, not scary. Selling after 30 years is not just a transaction, it's a transition in your life. Now that you know how to start, here's the next question. When is the best time for you to sell? To help you answer this question, watch my video on selling your house in the greater Seattle area. Should you sell now or should you wait? This will help you determine when is the best time for you to sell. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.